The Tomotato Mini Blue Fry Pan is a handy little utensil for small cooking needs. It's a 5-inch stainless steel frying pan. This small size is perfect for cooking 1 egg. You can also use it for pancakes. The non-stick surface helps food slide easily. Cleaning this Tomotato Mini Blue Fry Pan is also very simple. It's a great addition to any household stuff. This small frying pan is like a personal cloud for your breakfast. It holds your single egg perfectly. The blue color adds a nice touch to your kitchen. You won't need a lot of oil because of the non-stick coating. This Tomotato Mini Blue Fry Pan heats up quickly and evenly. It feels sturdy despite its small size. The quantity of food it makes is ideal for 1 person. If you need a small pan for quick meals, this is it. It saves space and is easy to store. You won't need big, bulky pans for small jobs anymore. The Tomotato Mini Blue Fry Pan is a good replacement for larger pans sometimes. It comes in a simple box. While it's not made in Singapore, its quality feels dependable. It meets basic household needs for frying small portions. Pros: small size, non-stick, for eggs, for pancakes, easy to clean, stainless steel, omelet pan. Blue color, 1 egg pan, mini fry pan. Cons: could take longer to cook more, handle might get hot easily, non-stick may wear over time. Only good for single servings, not ideal for larger meals. Blue color might not match all, could be less durable due to size, might not distribute heat evenly. Features: mini size, great for 1 egg, non-stick surface for easy cooking, durable stainless steel build, perfect for omelets and pancakes, small and easy to store. Blue color adds a nice touch. 5-inch diameter, easy to clean, comfortable handle, ideal for small kitchens. This small 5-inch blue frying pan is great for cooking 1 egg, omelets, or pancakes. It has a non-stick surface, so food does not stick and it's easy to clean. Made of strong stainless steel, this pan is also easy to store and has a comfortable handle, making it ideal for small kitchens. This small blue Tomotato Mini Frying Pan is made of stainless steel with a non-stick surface. Perfect for cooking a single egg or pancake. It's designed for easy cleaning, but its small size means it might take longer to cook larger amounts and is only really good for 1 serving. The handle could get hot. The non-stick might wear out over time, and it might not heat evenly. Also, the blue color might not fit everyone's kitchen, and the small size could make it less durable.